If CapCut is showing the message couldn't load, tap to try again later. Don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a few simple fixes that usually solve the problem fast. This issue is often caused by a weak internet connection, a temporary app glitch, a sign-in problem, or a VPN or proxy interfering with CapCut's servers. So let's go step by step and get it working again. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick CapCut fixes and editing tips. First, let's check your internet connection. Open your browser and search for speed test. You can use any trusted speed test website. Once it loads, run the test and see if your connection is stable. If your internet is slow, unstable, or disconnecting, CapCut may not be able to load content properly. If needed, switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data or restart your router and try again. A stable connection is one of the most common fixes for this error. Next, completely close CapCut and reopen it. Don't just minimize the app, make sure it is fully shut down. On mobile, swipe it away from your recent apps. On desktop, close the window and check that it is no longer running in the background. Then open CapCut again and see if the problem is gone. Sometimes the app simply needs a fresh restart to reload its services correctly. Now, make sure you are signed in to your CapCut account. If you're already signed in, you usually do not need to do anything. But if CapCut is asking for authentication or still refusing to load, sign out and sign back in only if the app prompts you to do so. This can refresh your account session and fix loading errors tied to login issues. After signing back in, wait a few seconds and test the app again. Finally, turn off any VPN or proxy server you may be using. VPNs and proxies can sometimes block CapCut from connecting properly, especially if the app is trying to reach regional servers or fetch online assets. Disable the VPN, disconnect the proxy, then reopen CapCut and check if the loading issue is resolved. In many cases, this alone is enough to fix the problem. If CapCut still isn't loading after trying these steps, wait a little while and try again later, because it may also be a temporary server issue on CapCut's side. But in most cases, checking your internet, restarting the app, confirming your account sign-in, and turning off VPN or proxy will solve it. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more CapCut troubleshooting guides, editing tutorials, and simple fixes that save you time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.